All right, in chapter 3, okay, lesson 4. We're talking about we are talking about subtracting with regrouping. This is what we're talking about, subtracting with regrouping. All right? So sometimes you need to regroup, like borrow and all that kind of stuff. Let's do the example that they give us. It says find 244 minus 137. That's what it asks me. You can do that. Okay. So we're going to do this. Subtract 244. Here's 244 minus 137. Sorry, 244 minus 137. Okay. Now, can I subtract 4 from 7? No. I have to borrow or regroup. Okay. Borrow from this 4 and I get 3. Okay. The one that borrow goes next door, and instead of 4, I have what? 14. Because I borrowed 1/10, a tenth. Okay. One of the 4s, its value is 10. I borrowed 10 from him. So instead of 4, I get 14. Now can I subtract?
Yes.
Okay. 14 minus 7 is 7, and then 3 minus 3 is 0, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Obviously, they round into the nearest hundreds, and they got 200 minus 100 equals 100. Okay. And when it says to use 10 blocks to draw your model, they wanted something like this. Okay, so it was 244, right? 200. No. Hold on. $244. So they took 4 of these, 4 tens. And then they went 4 ones. Minus 100 and what was the other one? 37. And there's 7 right there. Okay, 7. So obviously, can I take away 7 from 4? 4 minus 7, can I do that? No, look, I borrowed, how much is this right here? 10. So technically I borrowed 10. So now, okay, now instead of 7, I have how much? 14 altogether. Now can I go 14 minus 7? Yes. Which would be, okay. And if I now I go 3 minus 3, I get 0. Oh, and you're right. I needed 200, so I needed 2 of these right here. Okay. So then now, so 3 minus 3 is 0, and then I have 200, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1? 1. So my answer is going to be 107. But what my point is that when you borrow from the tens place, you're borrowing 10 of those. Okay? If you're borrowing from 100, you're borrowing 100 of those. All right?
Explore regroup hundreds and tens. Let's find 541 minus 288. First, let's begin by modeling 541. Let's look at the numbers in the ones. Can we subtract 8 from 1? No, we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we need to regroup the tens. Regroup 1 10 into 10 ones. Can we subtract 8 from 11? Yes. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Now we can look at the numbers in the tens. Can we subtract 8 from 3? No, we cannot take 8 from 3. We need to regroup the hundreds. Regroup 100 into 10 tens. So there are 13 tens. 13 minus 8 equals 5. Finally, look at the hundreds. Can we take 2 from 4? Yes, we can subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. There are 2 hundreds. So 541 minus 288 equals 253.
Excellent. Go ahead.
I wrote it down another way.
Okay, so you wrote it again. Nice. Give me the numbers nice and big, please. There we go.
And I subtracted.
Subtract it. Give another color. Go ahead. So why did you take 1 from 8?
Because we cannot subtract 3 from 1.
3 from 1. No, we didn't.
And 11 minus 3 is 8. And 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1.
1. Perfect. So you should have, what's the answer again? 118. A lot of you guys just did this. That's what you did. Okay. 1 minus 3 is not 2. Obviously, if I went 3 minus 1, that is 2. That's 2. But this does not look like this. Okay. I have to borrow from this 8, that makes it a 7. The one that I borrowed goes next door. Instead of 1, I get 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then 1 minus 1 is 1. So that's how I got this.